In this video, I'm doing a tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing what it looks like, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you are in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. And on my website, creativelyMissMe.com, I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. And while we're here, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Now on with the video. Today, I am participating in an open invitation collaboration, and this collaboration is entitled Easter Tablescape 20, and it's hosted by 3 wonderful YouTubers. Now, the host is Kelly at If It Ain't Cheap, I Ain't Buying It, and her co-hosts are Tammy at Me, Myself, and I'm DIYing It, and Wendy at Wendy Always Busy. Now, if you're not familiar with these ladies, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist down below in the description box when it becomes available. Now, they had simple rules for this challenge. They asked that you did a set of tablescape. They asked you to use pastel colors, that you must have a bunny and a basket and colored eggs, and the eggs can be real or faux. They asked you to use the hashtag that I'm going to run across the screen, hashtag the Bunny Trail Tablescape 20. You must be a subscriber to their channels. You must mention their channels in your video. And there will be a playlist, and they ask you to link it in your description box. And they ask you to have fun. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this tablescape challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, the placemat is thrifted, the pastel colors, and I really like that. I've had it for a while. I never used it. And then the pink charger plate, that came from Michael's last year. The white plate is from the Dollar Tree. Let you have a better look at this placemat. I think it is gorgeous. And then again, here is the pink charger. And then the Dollar Tree white plate. And then the dessert plate, it came from Ross. I bought it last year, or the year before last, whichever one. And then I'm using a pink napkin from eBay. And then the yellow rabbit napkin ring was a thrift find. And I just paid attention to where it was from, Williams and Soma. So I kind of giggled when I saw that because I never paid attention. And the wine glass is thrifted as well. Now as for the other plates, this one here has yellow flowers, excuse me. This one here has the purple or the lilac. And it has a blue rabbit napkin ring. Sorry, I forgot to show you that. This one has the green leaves on this plate, and then it has the green or the light green napkin ring. And then the last plate has the pink napkin ring, and then the pink butterfly above the rabbit. Each plate is different, and I thought they were very cute when I purchased them. Now the centerpiece is a basket, and it is holding the two white rabbits with pink eggs in their arms that I purchased. Well, they were a gift. And the yellow flowers, they are garland from Big Lots from last year. And the pics of the pink, teal, yellow, and orange eggs are from the Dollar Tree. And then the moss rabbits, I have two, one standing straight up and one sitting down on the other side. They are from the Dollar Tree as well. So nothing on this table has been purchased for this challenge. And then I have the salt and pepper shaker that I've had for years. It's a flower and a butterfly that I purchased off of eBay. I thought it was a cute combination. Now again, nothing on this tablescape was purchased this year. Everything I've already had in my stash, so I'm just digging deep and using everything that I have that's styled in that garage. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.